We're going to continue now. Be'ez Hashem Yisbarach, Chav Vav, Amud Aleph. V'lo Yislev Dor Pesach. And Afilu Minig, Kibla Aleim Chaim Et Tverya, Grois Et Tepoiden, Sheish Akoi, Shaloi La'itz Malacha B'chol Shemoed. There's also not only Pesach, there's this minig of not doing Malacha before Chatzos. There's also other things. For example, not to take nets in the ocean to get fish, or to Poiri, they had a minig not to grind the beans or the wheat and Akoi. Niche groise to poiren the shoisha akko. That we understand because you can do it before. They can do it before Yontif. So why should they didn't want to do this job on Chalamayit. Chemet very in mat and simchs regel. Fish, you have to have always fresh fish. So how can they not do their job on Chalamayit? And for the Gemara answers tzadi b'chaka, tzadi b'machmayres. He does other methods, not with the professional way, with the not with the net or with a certain bait. I feel like can't still there's not enough fish, so why should they do that thing? So Gemara says Rabbi Ina Michael Rabbi Ina was talking not it wasn't happy with it. Sheim matam simchas regel. Golim mokum lemokum. Evikshu lachzer behem. They want to change their meaning. If somebody went to a different place, Yevik Adod Omer Abba Bnei Maisha Kibul Alem Shleifish B'Yam HaGodim. They had this meaning not to go in Yam HaGodel. Never to go. It's dangerous. They didn't do any business that you need to go to the Mediterranean Sea. Also, the Rebbe, was saying that actually if we allowed to change it, she can't change the meaning of even if you're in a different place already, you cannot change the meaning of your fathers. Don't we know that a person can be shoyl in his nether? That's almost echt in the Dorm is full of that. And for the Gemara Tama, Misha knows the initial Bram Hocha, I was saying him Nodru Koshkin. It's your father that did it. So how can you be shoyl? Your father would come be shoyl, okay, but how can you be shoyl on your father? When asks him this Koshkin Yom Taurus. My father did it, so what is my fault? The real answer was because there's a shit of a Yehuda that holds that you're not allowed to go to Yam HaGodel because it's a sakana. So according to that, it's not because of minik. He held meikar adin. It's also to do such a job that it entails a sakana. Going to do. So it says on the Mishnah question. Mishnah says that there's mikvach shenahagol license malacha, shenahagol shloi license malacha. What's going on with license going to do? So the Gemara on that. So the Gemara is going to say first, Amalei b'shosh elo isike b'sham isike b'sil. That means license going to do. And the Gemara asks that no, b'sham b'sil in lochke b'sil. So what do you mean? That's not license going to do. Amalei b'shosh elo isike meiv elo isike b'yosi. That's what it's going to do. So obviously the less it's going to do is in such a case. That means less is going to do. If there's two Tanoim that say interpret what Rameya says. But here, by not Shaykh is going to do, it's just a different meaning. That's already two different Tanoim. It's not like you're saying some people do it, some people don't. The question is there if you masker Malchi is Kedusha Sayoim or Kedusha Hashem by Ata Kodesh or by the next bracha. So what's going on there? There, this for sure Lois is going to do because it's two different shittas of Tanah. It's not just a minik. Rebbe Shan Yehi Shem Over V'Osa Yehuda Kegol Yehuda Yotza. Each one is not saying that you cannot do it like the others. It says, I think this is better. But if they argue and each one would say you're not Yoitze, that would be a very license going to do. Why isn't the license going to do on that? You're making a goodness. Some people do this, some people do that. Mishnah Samchala Mikra. There's a remez in the Megillah itself that you can do different ways. Mishpacha, Mishpacha, Medina, Medina. It's pasuk is mashma that not everybody does at the same time. So there is no less good. I said that Amar Rebbe, it's supposed to say Amar Le. It doesn't make any sense here. Just I see this. It's corrected already. Okay, this is the end of Daf Chav Vav Amad Aleph.